how to buy MOODEE token. So this token came under the symbol of mood, M-O-O-D. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your research. Now before going on buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screen here. It created 20 hours ago and increased by 40,000% in the last 24 hours. And this token trended number 3 in the BNB Smart Chain section. Now to be able to buy this token, click here, check out the token address. Now open your Bitcoin wallet for that. As you can see, now log into your wallet first. And first of all, select the BNB chain as a network. Now click on this plus icon and paste the token address in the search bar. So click on this plus icon to add this token to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and keep searching until you find your token. This is added code MERD. Now click on it. Now click here also, switch from here, and from the top you can select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDT, and here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. As you can see, now click here also and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy MERD token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.